morning, friends. Welcome to cleaning day. It is that day of the week where we just put everything else aside and tackle all things cleaning. So mopping, sweeping, vacuuming. I even want to do a little bit of carpet shampooing today, cleaning some windows and mirrors. Not all the windows in this house, but some of them. Cleaning up the toys. Obviously, I have a mountain of laundry to fold. Dusting, all the things. So I hope that this motivates you, maybe inspires you if you are also having cleaning day. We can kind of clean together. Let me know in the comments below what day of the week you clean. Let's tackle some work, shall we? Do you want to help me fold some wash?
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Now, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I often find cleaning days to be a little bit overwhelming and tedious and just a really long day's work. I try to kind of split it up through the week, but still ends up often that there's a day where it's just kind of that's all we do that day and can feel kind of overwhelming. And so a couple of things that I do, you tell your kids life isn't all about just doing our favorite things, right? There's times we need to learn responsibilities. There's ways that we can serve others that might not be our favorite hobby or activity, and that's okay. We want to serve joyfully. And I feel like keeping a clean home is such a tangible way that I can love on my family. I know it makes such a difference for all of us to have a tidy space. And the Bible talks about doing everything as unto the Lord. And so that's what I try to keep in mind as I clean and serve my family in that way. And a couple of things that I have found really helpful to me are, one, listening to worship music. I mean, may as well just, the Bible talks about doing it as unto the Lord, right? So why not just worship Him while I'm at it? Really just truly helps my perspective so much. And also I love listening to podcasts. So if you have any recommendations, leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear. But also mindset just plays such a huge role in this. If I go through just like complaining my whole way through the day, it's just not going to be very fun for everyone. Plus, it's not a very good example to my kids. And so if I go into it and kind of make up my mind before we ever get started, like what a blessing this is. What a beautiful season of life. What a privilege that we get to live in a warm home. And as my heart fills with thankfulness, it's like it transforms every sweep of my broom, every wipe of my rag, just into an echo of thankfulness for all the blessings that we've been given, and just really changes the whole perspective, even if it is hard work. To water my plants, I've started to really like just freezing these plastic cups of water so that I have a pretty good sized ice cube, and then just plop it in to the plant. And now it's almost like a slow watering system where the ice slowly melts and the plant gets a little bit of water for quite some time. And also for my planters that have holes in the bottom, it keeps it from running out the bottom and making a mess on the floor. So I have recently started doing that and highly recommend. The kids are like, what are those ice cubes for in the freezer, Mom? And they are a big fan of my new watering system. So highly recommend freezing ice cubes for your plants. like to just put in a bunch of white vinegar, and then I have this multi-purpose concentrate cleaner. It's from Grove. This is the mango and tangerine. But I would love to know if you have any favorite like natural cleaning supplies. I would love to hear what your favorites are. I would say I kind of go like probably middle of the line. I love to obviously use vinegar, but I've never actually made my own cleaner, and especially for my glass cleaner, well, the one I have now I think is junk. I don't like it, but we just kind of bought it in a pinch. So anyways, but ones that actually work and that have good ingredients, I would love to hear. Or if you have recipes to make your own, something I would like to play around with more. That's what I put in my mop water, and it seems to work well even on hardwood floors, so that's what I always use. Now, edited to add, to some of you this would make a huge difference. I tried, after I was done filming this video, just cleaning with a mixture of vinegar and water, just half and half. I used it on my windows, I used it as a surface cleaner, and was actually pretty impressed with how well it cleaned. So I don't know if that's a thing or not, but might be doing more of that in the future. A lot of cleaning. I hope you enjoyed following along. I know it was a lot more music and less talking than a lot of my videos are, but we got a lot done. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, friends.
Golden, golden thing.